Good morning. It is 7:20 in the morning. I am currently in the laundry room, cleaning up some of our clothes. We were running a little bit low, but also I just like to have clean clothes when I get home so I don't have to do all the laundry. And if you're staying at Aulani and you are a DVC member, you get 3 free washes a day. So you just go to the front counter and ask them for the tokens and they give them to you, and they also give you powdered soap as well. So I figured if we get it for free, might as well take advantage of it. So I have a couple loads of laundry going here, and then in about 30 minutes, I will move them over to the dryer because we aren't gonna go out to the pool until around 9 o'clock today anyways. So the wash cycle is 30 minutes and the drying cycle is 45 minutes. Both of them take 4 tokens. If you're not DVC and you have to pay for the tokens, then there's a machine in here where you can put the money in. It takes credit cards and then it'll give you tokens. There's also a TV in here, which is kind of nice if you want to stay with your clothes. There's a TV in here that plays all the same shows as in the room if you want to keep the kiddos or yourself busy. So, laundry day. So here's a little hack I figured out. If you are DVC, you get up to 3 washes and dries a day. So that would be 4 tokens times 6, 24 tokens. You don't have to use those tokens on that day. If you want, you can save them and get 3 washes, 3 dries each day. And then they also have these Tide and Bounce. Those are only 3 tokens. So I went up and asked for 3 more washes for today, even though I was doing the 3 washes that I got yesterday, and I used those tokens for some Bounce dryer sheets because I didn't have any. They give you this laundry detergent for free, and it's just like a powder that you shake in. If you don't want that, you can also get the Tide, and that's good for 1 wash, and that's 3 tokens. So I would suggest, if you are DVC, asking for the 3 washes and the 3 dries each day, even if you're not planning on using them, and then using those tokens for the Tide and the Bounce in the washers and the dryers. Being escorted to our Casabella. Awesome. Thank you. Both of these? Okay. Wow. How cool is that? Right in front of the beach. A little bit farther from the pool, but it's definitely quiet over here. Stitches out here. Moana's next. There's actually not a photographer out here, but the cast member is taking pictures for the families.
I love her dress too. Hey, how are you doing today? Good to see you. Well, hey, it's not that my payroll again, but last time I checked, yeah, because it was really tired of my work. You know, when we're wayfinding, we can't really sleep. We're all still moving out to where you're going. So we stayed up all night. So he's still on right now. He's taking a little nap. He should be waking up soon. I love that in your hair. Oh, how cool. Reminds me of what I wear back home.
This is where the luau is, but they have it open where kids can kind of just run around and hang out during the daytime. And then that's also where the characters are. Moana's meeting right over here, and that's where Stitch and Angel were earlier as well. A couple other spots that have characters during the day. If you're going through the lazy river, sometimes they stand overhead, and then there's always a couple characters taking pictures in the restaurant where we had our character breakfast a couple days ago. We're also having dinner there tonight. And then if you walk down this path, once they open it back up, this is also where Auntie's is. That's the kids club. And this is also where the grills are. Come here, Mia. This is also where the grills are. And there's a restaurant over here that hasn't opened up yet, but hopefully it will soon. And that's over here too. So here's where the grills are. There's nowhere to sit over here. They have like little benches, but they don't have any tables or anything for families to just sit down and eat. I'm almost wondering if they do usually put them over here. Mia. And there's a soda refill station right here for your resort refillable mugs, but it looks like it's actually out of order right now. It was up and running the other day. And then this is the restaurant that has not opened up yet.
Mommy.
The Ama Ama restaurant. Right in here. Hang on, Mia.
I'm tired.
And then this is Auntie's Beach House. This is where the kids club usually is once they open it back up. And then on the other side is Off the Hook, another restaurant we went to the other night.
What's in there?
Then if you go around this corner, that's the lazy river. If you go around the corner up these steps, you can get access to the slides. And then this is to the big pool. They do like a hula show and storytelling over by this pool at nighttime. And this is Off the Hook. That's where you go in. And then we're gonna go back to where we were sitting earlier. Get our swimsuit on and have some fun in the water. Kiddos are playing poolside. Mama's finishing up her coffee. This is the pool where they do the shows later on at night. We like it because it has this little walk-in area and the kids can reach. Hi, kids. Are you gonna go underwater?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see it. Noah's fallen like 10 times out here. He has scrapes all over him. It's really slippery.
Mommy, that's not your sister, and I'm going to be your cat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Noah's holding his nose the wrong way and acting like he's going underwater. But he can barely go under because of his life jacket. He just goes up to like his eyes. And then right where those surfboards are is where you walk down to the beach. They have a rental area just to the left down there where you can grab the boogie boards and everything. that's also where you rent if you want to do like the standing paddleboard or any of that stuff. You rent it at the stand just down the steps to the left. And then if you turn right over here, it'll take you down to where you can get wristbands and life jackets and towels. The way they do the towels here, you have to pick up towels and they ask for your room number, and then you just return them in like the towel returns that are around. You don't have to take them back to the same window. But you're not able to just grab towels like you are at some other places or on the cruises. We have this whole area to ourselves. It's like roped off and everything. With an awesome view.
Kids drink and a salad.
All right, thank you.
So
Mia's taking our orders. The waiter just came by and grabbed our orders.
What do you like to drink?
Can I have a water, please? With lemon?
Mia.
Noah, do you want to put your order in?
Yes. Mia. Yes.
What would you like to order, Noah?
I can order some pasta. Sorry, we don't have pasta.
Is there something you would like instead?
I want hot dog. Yes, we have a hot dog.
This is really nice to be out in the shade. Not out in the sun, but in the shade.
This is going to make it, okay?
Especially Noah got pretty burnt. Let me see your face, Noah. Oh, got pretty burnt. Yeah, that automatically poses for a picture.
I want to see. I want to see.
Okay. They do these little boat excursions. Kids 3 and under are free. Adults are $119 each. And it's limited availability. And it's like an hour-long boat ride. It goes around the island.
And here's a snack. I'm on.
We thought about doing them because the kids are free, but having them on the boat for an hour is a really long time when you can't just get off if they start to be over it. And I feel like that would be a lot of sun exposure, and we're kind of trying to stay out of the sun.
We run out of fries. I want fries. We have noodle fries. Yellow fries. Noodle fries.
Getting ready to get dressed and go have dinner right there.
I'm going to the store.
This is the menu at Makahiki restaurant. We're going to show you what the food looks like, but here are all the options. This is the kids salad, the adult Caesar salad, and I got the corn soup. The plate is really warm and it feels amazing. The kids got the spaghetti. We asked them to put the sauce and meatballs on the side. Alex and I already started eating. I forgot to record, but this is the New York steak, and I got the barbecue sauce. It's really good. It tastes kind of like pineapple-y with barbecue sauce. Alex got the chimichurri. Chimichurri?
No.
How is it?
It's good.
Do you wish you got the barbecue sauce?
No, I like chimichurri.
And Noah also got the spaghetti with meatballs.
I just think we might be spoiled with steak.
Makahiki sundae, has little flower sprinkles on it. And this is the pineapple cobbler. A Mickey.
Mommy! Say happy birthday.
They brought out a little Mickey.
And it has chocolate.
Happy birthday.
Not my birthday today.
Because their birthday is in a week. Noah loves the chocolate.
Pull it out yourself. Look, it's on your chin already. Oh my god.
Noah, how's it taste?
Oh my god. Mommy, there's chocolate in this side.
It has chocolate on the side. How's it taste? You like it?
Their va'a in their canoe. And the boys, they paddled away out to sea, out to the deepest, darkest, bluest part of the ocean, out of sight of all of our island of Oahu behind them. And once they made it to the very right spot, well, we took Manaya Kalani on its line, and he sent that magical fish hook spinning through the sky and flying through the air and bloop, into the water. And for a moment, all was silent and still, until suddenly, they had snagged something. Now, well, we knew that this was no ordinary fish, and being very careful to avert his eyes, he pulled on that line with all his considerable might, and he called to his brothers behind him. He said, "Hoi! Hoi!" Now, hoi in Hawaiian means to paddle, and the brothers, they paddled as hard as they could. Well, he called to them again. He said, "Don't turn around no matter what you do. If you look back at Pimoe, all will be lost." So Moe pulled as his brothers paddled. The brothers paddled as Moe pulled, and on